Alright, today we are going to be replacing the cabin air filter in a 2012 Honda Odyssey. And you can see we're using the Champion CCF7781, which we picked up at Pep Boys. Good thing you might want to try and do with Pep Boys is if you get online and buy it online, a lot of times there will be a discount code, and then you can just go pick it up in the store. I do that all the time. You want to empty your glove box, and so that there's not a lot of weight in there. You'll notice on the one side that you can see that there is a damper down here, and really all you have to do is just push down on it and it will release. Then you need to push on each side, which will release it. And so you'll push in, and you want to do it. I can't do it, I've got the camera in one hand, but you'll push in on this side, push in on this other side at the same time. And it looks like I've released it over there. Now I need to release it over on this side. Now let me try that again. Just push in and then it will release. Now you've got a USB connection, so you've got to be careful with that. But you can see inside here is where you're going to locate the cabin filter. So, here's where you're going to find your air cabin filter, and you can see it has where the airflow, which way that should be going. So when you put in your filter, you want to make sure it's going the right way. So basically all you do is you just push in on this little tab, and that will release the filter. You can go ahead and just pull it out, and you can see the filter that I have. It's very, very dirty. All kinds of debris in it. You can see it's time to be replaced. You can see there's just this kind of little case that it comes in. You just slide the cabin filter out. So you can see with this new filter, it shows you which way the airflow is. And again, on this little case, it shows you where the airflow is. You just want to make sure that the airflow is on the filter matches the airflow on the in the filter. So you just go ahead and slide the filter in this little case, and then you just go ahead and pop it back in. And you just kind of have to work with it a little bit, and then slide it in, and it will pop in. And then, of course, to put the glove box back together, just insert that in the grooves, push in on the sides so that it catches. And then you'll push in on the side, let it pop in, and you can see, and just put the this underneath it and pop that in, and the damper, and then you're good to go. The box should open and close just like it did before. So again, a very simple thing to do. They wanted, I think, $44 at Jiffy Lube. I was able to get one for around $17. Good luck and have fun.